Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Flow app. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.